I just bought this yesterday. And look, just bought this yesterday. That's a shame. That's a shame. Just bought it yesterday. I love this starch. Think it even last me 2 days. Lay down. Where he at, in the bathroom? What, you had to break the whole cage down? You better start popping him.
I popped him in the bathroom. Yeah. Yeah.
He could be saying that because he don't like baths.
Hello. How you feeling? Good?
Mm.
I got dry off a bit, man.
You ain't dry him off yet?
Nah. Again, oh, I'm dry him off now.
Mm.
That's my food. This is the time and energy.
Midnight, where you escaped to, Midnight?
I'm not kidding.
Midnight, where you running to? You gotta get dried on. Look, Midnight, you look so weird, all wet.
He's spiking it.
You feel good now, Midnight? You done took a little bath? I love my cat. Well, guys, I ain't gonna eat no more of this because I gotta save the rest of this little bit for tomorrow because I will be having the munchies. All I got left. Gotta say that for tomorrow, baby. Maybe my husband will take me to the store Saturday. So, I hope y'all getting ready for the giveaway that's coming soon. Me and my husband was talking about it tonight on the way back from my parents' house, and yeah, so I gotta go back to the store, and which I probably go to the store Saturday since he off, and get a couple of things what I could find. We can't find much in Miami, but yeah, so I'm going and see what I can find. I know a lot of people been asking me about. Oh, I just forgot where I put it. A lot of people love these. They've been commenting about these. So I know I'm going to get some of these. I'm definitely going to get some of these. A lot of people been asking me where I got it from, or whatever the case is, and how much it is. So this is definitely going to be in my giveaway. I'm going to I'm going to do this. I'm going to do Argo laundry, regular Argo. Now that I could find Hearth Club, maybe Romford, maybe Clever Girl, Clover Valley. Those are the ones that I could get a hold to. And yeah, I can't get a hold to much in Miami, but I could get a hold to a couple of things. And so I'm gonna just use what I have. I really don't know the kinds that people like or whatever. If you think you want to be in a giveaway, tell me what is y'all favorite, brand is down below. What kind of cornstarch y'all like. If I'm able to get that type of brand or whatever the case is. And like I said, I want everybody to be happy. Some people might can't get certain things in the area. And I might can, so I have no problem with that. And I just need to find out how much the shipping is and things like that. But yeah, it's coming and I'm ready. It's been a long time coming. I know I've been saying it for a minute, but I'm definitely doing it. And my husband said he gonna help me do it. My husband support me in everything. I love that man. Don't care what it is. He always have my back. He always support me in everything. He never neglect me. He never let me down. Nothing. He's like my supporter in everything that I want to do. So yeah, so that's how that gonna be. And the next time I decide to do a giveaway, I was talking to him about this too. It would be cornstarch, but it also would be money involved through Cash App. So you got to make sure you have Cash App. That's the only way it's gonna work. Is through Cash App would be. So yeah, and as time grows and things like that, I will come up with a lot of different type of ideas of what I want to do and how I want to do it. I'm here to make everybody happy. Like I say, I'm a fair person. I like to make everybody happy. I'm not selfish at all. I'm a very sweet person, very humble person. Till you bite that hand. So, but yeah. And to everybody that comment on my videos and support me through the roof, man, I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all are very sweet, you're kind, y'all never disrespected me. Y'all show your girl so much love, and I really do appreciate it a lot. I do. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so y'all stay tuned. I'm coming up with a whole lot of stuff I got on my plate. It just, everything takes time and progress. So yeah, so that's how that is. And take this off my. I don't like sleeping or laying down in jewelry. So yeah. So anyway, that's how that gonna be. So guys, I will chit chat with y'all later, and I love y'all guys again. Thanks for the new subscribers, and for the ones watching my video, you ain't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Continue to show your girl love and support, and I'll show you something back. Because at the end of the day, that's what we need to do, support each other. Support each other. So, I feel like something bit me. Anyway, guys, I'm out. I'm gonna go ahead and relax myself. Love y'all, guys. Chit chat with y'all later. Deuces.